If you're seeing or Twitter error code 131, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly what it means and how to fix it fast. This issue is usually tied to two common situations. First, it can happen when you try to change your display name too many times in a short period. Second, it can show up when you're uploading images, especially PNG files. So whether you're stuck on your profile name or your media upload, I'll walk you through the simplest fixes step by step. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the display name problem. If error 131 appears when you're changing your profile name, the most important thing to do is stop making changes right away. A lot of people keep clicking save again and again, but that usually makes the temporary restriction last even longer. Instead, leave it alone and wait. In most cases, you should wait a full 24 hours without editing your profile. This gives X time to reset the server-side limit that's been triggered on your account. While you're waiting there, don't keep trying the same thing over and over. Just let the account cool down. After the 24-hour period, go back and try changing your display name again. If it works, then the restriction has cleared. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to try is a different browser or the official mobile app. Sometimes the web version behaves differently from the app, so log out of the X website and test it in the mobile app instead. That small switch can be enough to get past the error if it's tied to the current session or browser. Now let's move on to the image upload side of error 131, because this is another very common cause. If the error happens when you're posting a tweet, replying, or uploading media, especially PNG files, the fix is often to convert the image to JPG or JPEG. Many users run into this because PNGs can sometimes trigger upload checks on X. So the easiest solution is to take the image and save it in a different format. Here's how you can do that on a Windows computer. Find the image file, right-click it, choose Open With, and then select Paint. Once the image opens in Paint, go to File, then Save As, and choose JPEG Picture. When you save it, also change the file name slightly. For example, if the original file is called image.png, save it as image1.jpg or something similar. That small change helps create a fresh file version, which can sometimes get around the upload problem. If the upload still fails after converting it, try resaving the image again or making a small edit and exporting it once more. Even a minor change can alter the file data enough to help. You can also compress the image slightly if needed. The goal here is to give X a new file version instead of the one that triggered the error. So to quickly recap, if error 131 happens while changing your display name, stop editing, wait 24 hours, and then try again in a different browser or the mobile app. If it happens while uploading images, convert PNGs to JPEGs, resave the file, and change the file name slightly before uploading again. Those are the main fixes that solve the issue for most people. If this video saved you time, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, because I post simple step-by-step tutorials to help you fix annoying app and website errors fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.